Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Brandon 4K, and I finally got me an e-bike. I got this off of Amazon. I think it cost me exactly $440. I know a lot of people paid almost double that, but I have my ways. Anyways, the bike came very neatly packaged. I was very impressed. It reminded me of a motorcycle. This right here is me showing what it comes with. I know there's a lot of videos out there don't show this part. They don't show the accessories and everything that comes with. So I thought I'd show you guys this. You know, it comes with the pedals. They actually fold in. So if you're transporting it or storing it, it makes it a lot easier. There's this bag that it comes with, which I probably won't use even though it's decent quality. It's just not my style. Let's see what else. One thing I'll say is, man, all of this stuff, it had this strong, very strong chemical smell that I could smell for like days after opening the box. So that's something to be aware of. Yeah, it's like I never smoked anything like it in terms of like opening electronics or something like this. So yeah, very strong chemical smell. And that was just the charger that I was showing. This is a voiceover, by the way. It comes with this very, very vague manual. It comes with a lock that's pretty decent quality, but at the same time it's cheap. I would say it's like a dollar store $2.99 lock. So even though I put it on the bike, I actually took it off and used one that I already had instead. So for that lock that came with it, I'm actually gonna put on my 2-year-old's bike. One thing you'll notice, like, there's a lot of keys, which I'm gonna show it in the clip in a little bit, but you're gonna have a lot of extra keys. I think it's like 6 keys in total. So it comes with this little bike tool. Very, very handy. That pretty much lets you do everything that you need to do on the bike to tune it up. One thing it doesn't have is like, which is kind of obvious, but pliers. You will need pliers to make a brake adjustment on this bike. See, these 2 black things are foot pegs. I'm going to show you guys how to install those. Everything is pretty simple and straightforward. Reflectors. And that's everything. So you got your foot pedals, you have the bike rack, or the basket rack, the lock, you have your tool, the reflectors, and that's everything. Which a lot of stuff is a little cheap, but I guess it's better than nothing. This is inside the book, some instructions. So once again, a little vague, but for that part it's a little detailed. You do have an alarm, which is very nice. It actually starts the bike as well. You can unlock it. You can set the alarm, and when you set the alarm, it will actually lock the wheels as well. So that's a good thing. Definitely gonna need some scissors. So many things are gonna be tied down with those. Gonna have to put the handlebars on, which is pretty simple, but with everything, it does take a little thought. It is 95% assembled, but there's a few pieces that you do have to put together, and you definitely have to make some small adjustments, as you see here. There's this one part which I'm about to show you guys, that little clamp. I noticed one person mentioned that they really struggled to figure out how you clamp it, so I thought I would do a close-up showing you guys how to clamp the handlebars and the seat, which is pretty easy, but at the same time, you do it a very specific way, especially for the handlebars. I've been wanting to get an e-bike for a very long time, at least a couple of years now. I'm actually used to riding like motorcycles, so I got a son now, a 2-year old, so I just wanted to get something different, something more safe. And yeah, I finally pulled the trigger, read the reviews, pretty much has all like 5-star reviews. And if you have any problems, they pretty much fix it. I've heard that they've given some people a whole brand new bike over some issues. So small issues too. So that's definitely a plus. So this part you just have to make sure that's tightened, then you just clamp it down. It's easy as that. This locks really tight as well, so that's a plus for the seat height. And this is just me showing it from another angle. You can see it has the shocks on it. The tires come covered, which I thought that was pretty unique. And this is how you put on the foot pegs, which they are very, very small. I think honestly with the seat and everything, I let my 2.5-year-old sit on it, and it's like perfect for that age. I think I would probably even say more of like a 3-year-old. It would be perfect, the back seat. I can't see. I read somewhere that an adult could fit on it up to 120 pounds, but the space is so small that I really can't see that. The bike can definitely hold it, but it's gonna be tricky. I actually bought some mounts that I'm gonna put on it for the passenger seat, and do a whole video on that, how to ride somebody on the rear, pretty much a kid. Now this is just showing off the bike a little bit. I'm sure most of you guys have, seen all the pictures and everything. The phone holder, my phone is pretty big, and it fits my phone, not exact, but it's very secure, which I like. That's the bike lock, which eventually I took off that same day, just because I have one that's more, I want to say sturdy, more secure. Even though that, if somebody want to steal it, they will. So, so this is the bike rack that I had on there, but I actually have another one on there that I'm gonna show you guys in another video. Went to the Dollar Tree and found some amazing accessories that look nice on this bike. So that's more to come, and that's everything.